Hi, welcome. I'm Cindy Wright with Sheridan School District. I'm the Chief Operations Officer. Welcome to Sheridan High School. We contracted with EOS and they are doing our lighting project for us. One of the things that we're really excited about is not just the lighting itself that it's providing in more of a daylight setting, but the energy savings that's going to come with it. This is one of our main hallways, and it always had kind of dark spots in it before, and now that we've switched the lighting down the hallway is a lot more even. It's easier to see down, you don't have shadows. It's just much nicer. The kids are going to be able to get into their lockers a lot easier. We'll be able to keep an eye on them better. These are all LEDs now, which has evened out the lighting throughout this common space. Here's an example of one of the fixtures that they're working on right now, and they're replacing every single bulb, and if they have to replace a fixture, they're replacing a fixture. They're doing that district-wide, inside, outside. They're doing it for our stadium. They gave us the no worry, we can do it, because they manufacture it. They manufacture every single item that we're needing for this project. When you're a teeny tiny district, you wear so many hats and you're trying to make sure that you're on top of projects that come up or happen or you talk about. You want a quick turnaround. Sometimes you just feel like you're living under a lucky star and how it all worked out and how they reached out to us. And then when I was learning more about it, that they actually manufacture their own lights and there's not a middleman, so to speak, it made a bigger difference in the ultimate cost and the more immediate savings.